Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Get high grades, not high grade. That's the message being sent by dancehall artist Devin the Doctor and songbird Ikea, who have partnered with the National Council on Drug Abuse and the Ministry of Health for an island-wide tour dubbed Talk the Truth, Future Come First.
My granddad, he used to smoke a lot. Like, he would smoke from ganja to cigarettes, and he had respiratory failure and lung cancer. So that was one of the reasons why I definitely said I have to be a part of this campaign. I felt obligated to do so. I definitely believe that music is arguably the best way to get the message across to the youths. So NCBA and Devin and myself, we teamed up and we did this jingle, and we've been getting a whole lot of love from the jingle, and it's basically to educate our youths about the danger of smoking and how it affects the brain starting at a tender age. And right now we're about to do a school tour starting this Wednesday, January 17. We're doing 10 schools.
The two also teamed up for the Future Come First video that continues to receive major traction on the local airwaves and has surpassed over 1 million views in less than 3 months.
Decriminalization don't mean it legalized. You can still be penalized. Why you penalizing your lungs with ganja? Youths be wise, don't be the norm. My youth, you wanna fool. Smoking weed no look cool. Boom shala some cash man, your parents and never go school.
Both artists are off to a good start for 2018, with Devin focusing his attention on the international market. Ikea shares details for her upcoming projects.
I just dropped a video with me and Jesse Royal, which is getting great feedback right now. It's also featured on Reggae Gold 2017 for VP Records. So it's a whole lot of things in the making right now, tours, all of that. And people have been waiting. They want to see hear a body of work from IKEA, and I'm definitely working towards that right now.
Fresh from a scintillating performance at the 25th anniversary of Rebel Salute, United Entertainment recording artist Bugle has inked another international movie deal, this time for his latest album, Be Yourself, on the 2018 film The Blue Mauritius. The deal, brokered with an international distribution company, will see Bugle repackaging his current album for distribution across several major markets. Bugle is definitely experiencing a major career upsurge since the start of the year. His album is also nominated for the 2018 Euroview Awards in the category of Favorite Local Album of the Year. On the international scene, the 60th annual Grammy Awards ceremony this year will see performances from Lady Gaga and Pink, Childish Gambino, Bruno Mars, Cardi B, and Despacito hitmaker Louis Fonsi, as well as others. There are 5 nominees for the Best Reggae Album: Chronology by Chronix, Stony Hill, Damian Marley, Abracadabra by Morgan Heritage, Lost in Paradise, Common Kings, and Washout Sting by J-Boog. The Grammy Awards takes place at Madison Square Gardens on January 28. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.